And we are learning that the Uttar Pradesh police has now received the DNA report of former Samajwadi Party leader Nawab Singh Yadav, who was accused of raping a minor girl in Kannauj district. Now, in this significant development, the police has received the DNA test, and according to officials, Nawab Singh Yadav's DNA sample has matched, confirming his involvement in the crime. Further legal proceedings are expected to follow basis this evidence. Listen in to what the Kannauj SP has said.
उक्त प्रकरण में घटनास्थल से फॉरेंसिक एविडेंसेस कलेक्ट किए गए थे, जिसे एफएसएल भेजा गया था। एफएसएल से रिपोर्ट प्राप्त हो गई है, जिसमें दुष्कर्म किए जाने की बात की पुष्टि हुई है। इसमें कन्नौज पुलिस द्वारा अग्रिम विधिक कार्रवाई की जा रही है।
Cutting across to Gaurav, who now joins us live on the broadcast. Gaurav, we've seen how the SP has gone all out to shield their leaders who have been accused in such cases. But here on, the DNA report has given a confirmation of his involvement in the crime. Do take us through the details and how the SP is reacting.
देखिए, बिल्कुल आपको बता दें, इस पूरे रेप केस के बाद नवाब सिंह को अरेस्ट किया गया था और उसके बाद से ही जो डीएनए सैंपल्स हैं वो लिए गए थे, जो कि आज मैच कर गए, जिसके बाद जो मुश्किलें हैं वो और बढ़ती नजर आ रही हैं। आपको बता दें, सपा नेता जो है, इनके भाई हैं नीलू यादव, इनका भी इस पूरे प्रकरण में नाम आ रहा है, चूंकि इन्होंने ही जो पैसे हैं वो उस लड़की की बुआ को ट्रांसफर किए थे, जिसके बाद से अब उनको भी पुलिस ने आरोपी उनके ऊपर जो इनाम है वो भी घोषित किया हुआ है और जल्द ही उनकी भी गिरफ्तारी इस पूरे मामले में की जा सकती है। आपको बता दें, डीएनए सैंपल्स जो रिपोर्ट है आज वो आई है, वो कंफर्म हुई है, जिसके बाद से ही अब जो मुश्किलें हैं वो और बढ़ती नजर आ रही, चूंकि जिस तरह से इस पूरे मामले में एक के बाद एक सिलसिलेवार गिरफ्तारी भी हुई थी। और आपको बता दें, सपा जो नेता है नवाब सिंह, ये अखिलेश के बेहद करीबी माने जाते हैं और उसके बाद इस तरह का जो मामला है इनके पास जो इस तरह का मामला सामने आता है, जिसके बाद से लगातार जो इनकी अरेस्टिंग है वो की गई थी और उसके बाद अपने ही स्कूल से इनकी अरेस्टिंग हुई थी, वीडियो भी सामने आया था, जिसके बाद अब जो डीएनए सैंपल्स हैं उसके मैच होने की आज पुष्टि हुई है, जिसके बाद से आगे की जो कार्रवाइयाँ हैं वो अब इस पर की जाएंगी।
All right, Gaurav, many thanks for getting us those details. Moving on to news coming in from Karnataka, where former Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa, who faces renewed scrutiny as a revived POCSO case emerges. The case, which involves allegations from a victim whose mother had recently died, has drawn concerns from the State Women's Commission. In fact, Chairperson Nagalakshmi Chaudhary has written to the police department expressing doubts about the circumstances in which the mother had died and has also demanded a thorough investigation. Sri Lakshmi will join us shortly from the Kannada newsroom as she'll take us through the details of how the investigation has proceeded. But all this certainly confirms how B.S. Yediyurappa continues to face the heat, and the investigation into that POCSO case, where it was not just about the allegations that had been made by the minor, but also under the circumstances in which her mother lost her life. Fingers pointing at B.S. Yediyurappa, but we also understand that the investigation is underway. We had earlier got you details of the victim's lawyer who had spoken on this matter and had once again highlighted the very, very strange circumstances under which the mother lost her life and the doubts that were certainly leveled against B.S. Yediyurappa. Now, this is fresh trouble that stares at the former Karnataka Chief Minister in the POCSO case, where it is the State Women's Commission Chairperson Nagalakshmi Chaudhary who has written this letter to the police department expressing doubts over the circumstances in which the victim's mother had died. And she has also demanded a thorough investigation. Cutting across to Sri Lakshmi, joining us from the Republic Kannada newsroom. Sri Lakshmi, take us through the objective parts of what this letter states and how the investigation in this case is proceeding as far as allegations against Yediyurappa are concerned.
Well, Suisha, the POCSO case involving a minor girl now has taken a new turn since Nagalakshmi Chaudhary, the chairperson of Women's Commission, has written a letter to the police commissioner urging thorough investigation in the case. She has also urged she has asked the question, big questions, saying that why the post-mortem has not been done in the lady Mamata's case.